Don't ever do this. You get a tangle in your rope every single time. G'day and welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm recording this video on Ngunnawal land and I pay my respects to the Ngunnawal people and their elders past, present and emerging. Yeah, the other day I lent my ute to a mate of mine and he came back and all the ropes were all tangled up and I thought I'd share with you a bit of a tip that I've learned over the years. My old man taught me this when I was about 10 years old on how to tie up a rope so it doesn't get tangled. Yeah, no, everyone, and this guy's done it himself. I've seen him do it about 30 years ago, so he never learned a lesson. But when you wrap a rope up like this, you're putting a twist in it every time. So when you come to unravel it, it's got tangles in it everywhere you go. And there's another way people do it as well, and they do it in a figure eight, but that's supposed to keep a twist out, but I can never figure out how to do that. But I've got an even simpler way to do it, and it keeps it nice and easy and nice and loose and never gets a tangle. So here's how you do it. So first of all, you grab your rope in your left hand and use your right hand to feed it in, and you just loop it slowly and gently like that. What you can do when you do this is if there is any kinks in it like this, you can sort of shake them out and they go away. And then you just go back, keep doing it. So this is all tangled still from the wrapping it around my arm. But you just keep doing this until you get to about here. Now this is where the art form comes into it, and I do this by muscle memory. I don't sort of pay any attention to what I'm doing, but I'll do it fast and then I'll try and do it slow so you can see what I do. But when you get to this level, because you want to be able to tie it up, so I get this bit and I just swing it around. So one goes one way and one goes the other. And then once you get that, you get a bite, you feed it through here where your hand is and grab this bit up and through, and that gives you a leading end to tie it up onto the back of your truck so you can keep it nice and handy for when you need it. Yeah, I'll try and do it nice and slowly for you so you can see what I do, but I don't think I'll have much luck. What I do is I swing this one around and this one goes in a bigger loop around the outside, so it's they sort of meet each other in the middle. So you can do it really quickly like that way when you get used to doing it that way. So I'll try and do it, but we'll see how we go. And then up through the middle and you're good to go. Now ropes, I just tie them to the back of my truck because there's, sort of a piece of rope. It's not a, expensive bit of gear or anything, but that said, I don't want them lying around on the tray as well. So hanging them up on the back of the tray gives them a chance to dry out if they get wet. So they're always ready to go, always nice and handy. So yeah, that's a quick, simple tip on how to tie a rope. And as you see, when you unravel it, it's never tangled. Perfect every time. So yeah, that's how you tie a rope. Nice and easy. Thanks for staying with me till the end. Until next time, stay safe.